Namaste. Welcome to this demo session. I request you all to kindly switch on your videos as this is going to be an interactive session. So please switch on your videos. Request to all of you अपनी कैमरा ऑन करिए और हम बोथ हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेज यूज़ करेंगे. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट्स. कैमरा ऑन करके अपनी सुंदर फेस दिखाइए. ओके एवरीवन, गेट रेडी. सो प्लीज कैमरा ऑन करिए. सुशांत सर, नंदा मैम सर, सैमसंग जी, वमा मैम, रुचि मैम, चित्रा मैम, प्लीज सविता मैम कैमरा ऑन करिए. सो वी विल स्टार्ट शांत वृत्ति डेमो सेशन. So before we begin the session, sit comfortably with your spine tall and straight. Relax करके अपनी spine को अच्छे से face muscles को relax रख के बैठ जाइए. Close your eye gentle. दोनों आँखों को अच्छे से सुंदर smile के साथ बंद करिए. And place your palms on your knees. दोनों हाथों को घुटने के ऊपर रखिए. And bring your awareness to your breath. अपनी पूरी ध्यान सांसों पे लेकर आइए. Simply observe without changing anything for a moment. अपनी सांसों को ऑब्जर्व करिए. सांस अंदर जा रहा है, बाहर आ रहा है. इसका मतलब जो सांस अंदर जाता है, फील एनर्जी विद इन योर सेल्फ. सांस बाहर आता है, फील द रिलैक्सेशन. लेट गो एवरीथिंग. इनहेल विथ योर स्माइल, एक्सेल, रिलैक्स. अगेन एक लंबा सा सांस लीजिए. ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट. कहाँ कहाँ अपनी सांस पहुँच रहा है. सो अभी जो हम सांस लेंगे ऑब्जर्व करना है आपकी सांस कहाँ तक पहुँच रहा है. नाउ ब्रीथ इन, कैरी योर स्माइल ऑन योर फेस. ब्रीथ आउट. अगेन फिर से ऑब्जर्व करिए आपकी सांस कहाँ तक पहुँच रहा है. ब्रीद इन, पेट तक जा रहा है क्या, चेस्ट तक जा रहा है क्या, या स्वालो ब्रीदिंग है. ऑब्जर्व करिए. एंड ब्रीद आउट, रिलैक्स. आंखें खोल दीजिए. ऑब्जर्व किया आपने अपनी सांसों की गति. जब हमारी सांस जहां पे नहीं पहुंचता है, प्रॉब्लम वहां है ना. सांसों को हमें वहां पे पहुंचना है, हमारी सांस वहां तक जाना है. तो कुंभक थेरेपी जो हम करेंगे वो आपको सिखा देगा हाउ टू ब्रीथ थ्रू ब्रेथ. हाउ यू कैन हील योर बॉडी थ्रू ब्रेथ. breath not only for God has given this breath not only to survive, has a purpose. With the breath you can heal yourself. You can redirect your prana to the weaker part of your body. So simple, but you don't know how to redirect. Very simple. So what Kumbhak therapy will teach you? How to redirect your prana to the weaker part of your body and heal your body. Very simple. See, we don't know everything, but there are people know. They will help us to know how to redirect our prana to the weaker part of your body. So Avisa is doing the Kumbhak therapy for Parkinson. So which is called Shanta Vritti. Shanta means peace. Vritti means movements. So unnecessary movements is happening in your body. What are the unnecessary movements? Tremors. Tremors कहीं बाहर से नहीं है. It's not coming from outside. It's within ourselves. Why this is coming? Because of the something which is not happening properly in your body. So because of that we are getting speech problem, tremors, nervous system problem, all this whatever we are facing because of the prana, the energy, the prana, the breath is not reaching the weaker part of the body. So Kumbhak therapy will help you how to redirect your prana to the weaker part of your body. So why Parkinson? Apana dosha. Apana means apana, a vayu. So there are 5 vayus: prana, apana, samana, udana, vyana. So apana, one vayu, which has to go downward. Apana vayu has to go downward, but in Parkinson it is going upward. So problem happens. So what the Kumbhak therapy will do? It will redirect your apana vayu towards the downward. So when the apana vayu will correct in your body, so your whatever the happening, you are not able to walk. If you are not able to walk, if you have constipation, if you have problem with the tremors, all these, so that will slowly, it may take time, but Kumbhak will give you a full stop. It will correct your vayu, it will give a proper direction, and you will be able to practice. Now you understand where the breath is reaching, and when you start practicing, you will see how you can breathe smoothly. The difference. So breathing is our life. When we inhale, the energy comes. When we exhale, we relax. So no medicine, nothing. It will, Kumbhak therapy will give you a shanti, peace, and it will stop the unnecessary movements in your body. Interesting, no? So when we came to this world, जब हमने पैदा हुआ, we inhale, सांस लिया, और जब हमारी मृत्यु हो जाएगा, इस दुनिया से चले जाएंगे, we exhale, सांसों को छोड़ देंगे. इसका मतलब with the inhalation we came, with the exhalation going. So whole life we are breathing, but we don't know how we are breathing. We don't know how we are breathing. Everybody know? It's just going, coming, Hawa, air going inside, coming down. But that breath is a tool to heal your body. We don't know. Okay? So we'll learn a kriya, Kumbhak. Now sit comfortably everyone. अच्छे से बैठ जाएंगे. Spine को सीधा रखिए. The way you feel comfortable, sit. If you are sitting on a chair, you sit comfortably. Okay? And if you are sitting on the floor, you can spread your legs. If you are not able to sit cross-legged, so choice is yours. Be comfortable with your posture. And gentle, close your eyes. आंखें बंद कर लेंगे. So now we'll focus on your breath. सांसों पे फोकस करिए. Inhale a count of 2. 2 काउंट करूंगी, सांस लेना है. 4 काउंट करूंगी, सांसों को रोकना है. और 6 काउंट करूंगी, सांसों को छोड़ना है. So inhale a count of 2, hold a count of 4, exhale a count of 6. Very simple breath ratio. Okay? Ready everyone? Now start. स्थिर होके बैठ जाइए. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. Let go everything. We are here to learn something. If you are joining the course or not, that is different matter. But learn something new which will help you. Now, so no movements. Inhale 2. 1, 2. Hold 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Don't open your eyes. Again, inhale softly through the nose. 1, 2. Hold your breath. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly through nostril. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Don't open your eyes. Now this time we will inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 2 counts. Exhale for 6 counts. Everyone get ready? Walk on your breath. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. 1, 2. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Don't open your eyes. One more round. Everyone get ready. Inhale softly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. Gentle. 1, 2. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Relax. So, this Kumbha, when I say hold for 2 counts or hold for 4 counts, so that is called Antar Kumbhak, means you are holding your breath inside. When you hold your breath outside, that is called Bahya Kumbhak. So, when you will come to this structured program, you will learn many things. This is just demo session to understand your breath. Okay? So, why this Parkinson happens? Vata imbalance. What Vata? Kampa Vata. So, what is Kampa Vata? All the time unnecessary movements in the body. Okay, so when we will come to this program, you will do the Abhyanga, the massage, how to do everything. We will, guide you how to do all this. How to correct your Apana Vayu and the oil massage, other also therapeutic, the herbs, all this we will guide you how to control your Vata. And then when the Vata will control, the calm state of mind and the prana also will be stable. And the unnecessary activities are happening in the mind, that also will be stable. You will be peaceful and balanced. So Kumbha, when you are holding breath, okay, जब सांसों को आपने रोका, whatever we are doing behind, with the held breath only we are completing the task. With the held breath. If you are not absorbed, now the time has come to absorb. So from tomorrow you observe whatever the work you are doing, any task you are completing. If you need extra effort, behind the held breath only helping to complete that. Okay, so for that, Swami Rajvibhu Swamiji designed this, ki how you hold your breath and you heal your body. Okay, so we will learn one more, one Kriya. Okay, get ready everyone. Spine straight. And I will show you first, I will show you the demo, then we will practice together. Second Kriya. So, you tighten your jaws. How to tighten? Don't bring your teeth like this. You see? Close your mouth and press your teeth together. The upper jaw and the lower upper jaw like overlapping. So, teeth together. And second, you make a fist and gentle make it tight. हाथों को थोड़ा सा tight करके रखिए. Okay, and then you are sitting on the floor or chair. If you are sitting like this, you curl your toes. थोड़ा toes को भी bend कर लीजिए. Or if your legs are like this, just press your legs to the floor. Or your legs are stretched and just bend your toes. Okay? So the way you feel comfortable. So you need 3 trigger points to control your body. Control the prana. So this is your jaws. Make it tight. Fist. Make it tight. And toes. Equal pressure. very gentle. Do it gentle as per the body capacity. So next, inhale through nostril, one after one, 3 times. How? Inhale, second, no exhalation, third, 3 one after one. So no exhalation in between. After inhalation, you hold your breath with the trigger points. And when you are holding, gentle tighten your body. Again tighten your body, little more. Again little more. And maintain this with your statue. स्टैचू बन के इसको हमें रोकना है, सांसों को अंदर. सो आई विल काउंट I will count 8. You stay absolutely still, no movements. So when you will be not able to hold, it's not till 8 or before that also, a smooth exhalation and relax. So beginning is very difficult, smooth inhalation, smooth exhalation, hold, because you have not learned first time. So do the way you feel comfortable. This is not a therapeutic class. This is just to understand what exactly Kumbhak and how Kumbhak heal our body. Okay? So no worries. Whatever you understand, just give a test to your body. Everyone, get ready. Gentle close your eyes. Remove your specs and tighten your jaws. And make a fist, make it tight. Keep it on your knees. And curl your toes, spine erect. Contract your abdomen. Keep your back muscles relaxed. Inhale through nostril. 1. Hold. 2nd. Hold. 3rd. Hold your breath. Gentle tighten your entire body. और थोड़ा टाइट करिए. और थोड़ा टाइट करिए. 8 counts. 1. Statue, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. धीरे 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 एक्सेल करिए, धीरे से, एंड रिलैक्स. पूरा शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. कोई क्रैम्प्स, कोई डिस्कम्फर्ट फील हो रहा है तो तुरंत रिलैक्स करिए. So body already has less capacity. If you will put extra effort means maybe body will be tense. So you have to take care of that. Okay, one more round. Everyone get ready. Eyes closed. Carry a smile on your face. Through nostril, inhale. Hold. 2nd. No exhalation. 3rd. Hold the breath. Gentle tighten your body. A little more. A little more. And statue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slow, smooth exhalation. And relax. Eyes closed. Don't open your eyes. One more round. Again, 3 triggers. Jaws, make a fist, curl your toes, equal pressure maintain. Inhale through nostril. First inhalation, second inhalation, third inhalation. Hold your breath. Now tense your entire body. और थोड़ा टेंस कर लीजिए. और थोड़ा स्टैचू. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Smooth exhalation. Smooth exhalation and relax. हाथों को अच्छे से रब करके आंखों पे लगा लीजिए एंड धीरे से ओपन योर आईज. फील हीट ऑन योर पाम्स. कुंभक करते ही बॉडी की हीट बढ़ जाएगी. सो पार्किंसन के बाद बॉडी ठंडा पड़ गया है. There is no heat inside. So when you cook, you need also fire. For the digestion also, your body need fire. But that fire is not inside, which is called Dakshinagni. To digest food is called Jathara Agni. So there are Agnis in our body. So Jathara Agni खाना को digest करता है. Dakshina Agni heal our body, which is less now in our body. So because of that also we get problem. So when you practice this Kumbhak, you will see the lot of the body will energy, it will increase the energy. The first thing will happen, the energy will increase. It also will strengthen. Okay, and then when the energy flow of the entire system increases and enhancing digestion, appetite, absorption, purification, and also body start cleansing. So जितनी सारी टॉक्सिन्स बॉडी के अंदर पड़ा है वो कुंभक पुश करके निकाल देगा. कुंभक will give a trigger to clean your body, detoxify your body, and also regeneration capacity will increase. The force has been lost in our body. So when you start the Kumbhak, the force on your body will increase, and that is enough for your body to heal itself. अभी वो नहीं है ना अंदर, बॉडी कैसे हील करेगा? क्योंकि बॉडी की जो पावर है वो खत्म हो चुका है प्रॉब्लम की वजह से. So जब आप प्रैक्टिस करने लगोगे तो बॉडी की पावर बढ़ने लगेगा. सो धीरे 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 बॉडी हील करने लगेगा. नेक्स्ट क्रिया, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ इन एंड ब्रीथ आउट. फेस मसल्स रिलैक्स. So this time new practice. Open your mouth and inhale. The first one we inhale through nostril. Now the second practice we will inhale through mouth. How? Like inhale through mouth, hold your breath inside, then blow out your cheeks. गाल को टाइट कर देंगे. उसके बाद close your nostril. आपकी सांस अंदर है, your breath is inside. Now close your nostril. Then bring your chin to the chest and create internal pressure on your upper region. So as I told you, there are different vayus. कौन सा वायु कहाँ पे काम करता है? So here अपान, उदान वायु, प्राण वायु. Okay, so कुंभक क्रियाज आर डिजाइन कि वायु को करेक्ट करना है. So this क्रिया will correct the upper region, upper वायुस. जो वायु ऊपर तक नहीं जा रहे हैं या उसकी डायरेक्शन वहाँ नहीं आ रहा है तो ये ठीक करेगा. So this is theory, but get the experience. Now start. Get ready. Your hands on your knees. आराम से बैठिए, कोई टेंशन नहीं, खुश रहिए, स्माइल करिए. Open your mouth and inhale. आराम से blow out your cheeks. Close your nostril, hold your breath and create internal pressure on your upper region. पूरी शरीर को हल्का टाइट कर लीजिए. थोड़ा अपर रीजन को टाइट करिए, जैसे कान से हवा निकल रहा है. और जैसे लगेगा यू आर नॉट एबल टू होल्ड, ओपन योर नॉस्ट्रिल, एक्सेल. धीरे 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 एंड रिलैक्स. Very, very, very powerful practice. This is a small practice. It will correct your ENT, ear, nose, throat, any type of depression, any type of issues with your vocal cord. आप अच्छे से बोल नहीं पाते हो, स्पीच प्रॉब्लम आ गया है, साइनटिस, वर्टिगो, आई प्रेशर, आंख के ठीक से दिख नहीं रहा है, हेडेक, टॉन्सिल्स, and so many. It will clear, it will correct the udana vayu, when the prana vayu. Okay, it will balance your vata, calm mind, it will improve your focus, it will reduce your anxiety. एक कुंभक का हम उसको एक्सप्लेन भी नहीं कर सकते क्या क्या बेनिफिट है. जैसे पहला वाला कुंभक मैंने बताया है ना, उसमें क्या हो सकता, उसमें ये छोटा सा प्रैक्टिस था. इट व्हेन यू आर एक्टिवेटिंग इट ऑल्सो करेक्टिंग योर Vyanavayu. Vyanavayu is pervading all over the body. Okay, so let's start. Everyone, spine straight. Open your mouth, inhale. Hold, bloat your cheeks, tighten your cheeks, close your nostril, and if you are comfortable, bring your chin to the chest. Now create internal pressure. Create internal pressure. And do it gentle. आराम से करिए. जब hold नहीं होगा, bring your chin up. Open your nostril. Exhale slowly. धीरे 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 धीरे. And relax. Carry your smile on your face. कुंभक आपको स्माइल सिखा देगा बहुत अच्छे से और बहुत कम दिन में. Again, one more round everyone. Spine erect, be comfortable, contract your abdomen, keep your spine relaxed, open your mouth, inhale, hold, bloat your cheeks, tighten your cheeks and close your nostril. If you are comfortable, bring your chin to the chest and create internal pressure in the head and your throat region. Hold your breath in this position as long as you are comfortable without straining. And when you feel urge to breathe, slowly lift your head and back to normal. धीरे धीरे exhale करके relax. Now दोनों हाथों को मिला के अच्छे से रब करिए. Generate heat between your palms. Put on your eyes. Feel again heat, warm sensation. धीरे से open your eyes. है ना कुंभक? हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट इसको 24 कैरेट गोल्ड बोलते हैं. इतनी पावरफुल और इतने ये डे 1 से ही स्टार्ट होता है. बट बॉडी इज डिफरेंट, सो इट इज और द हीलिंग प्रोसेस ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. इट्स नॉट ओनली बॉडी इज हीलिंग, योर बॉडी ऑल्सो कैरिंग द प्रीवियस कर्मा which also a obstruction to heal your body. But Swamiji always telling Kumbha can heal your previous karma, bad karmas. Every life we are carrying our bodies with the karmas, if good karma or bad karma. But we don't know through how to heal our bad karma. But practicing Kumbha, you can heal your bad. Sometimes what happens, we do healthy lifestyle, but still we get problem. एंड देन हम बोलते हैं अच्छे से तो हम जी रहे हैं, क्यों प्रॉब्लम? अच्छा तो खा रहे हैं, क्यों कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो रहा है? बिकॉज ऑफ द हेल्थ कर्मा ऑल्सो, दैट इज ऑल्सो आवर DNA इज कैरिंग. सो कुंभक विल हील दैट. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो यू कैन क्रिएट अ गुड बॉडी, इफ नॉट दिस लाइफ, नेक्स्ट लाइफ ऑल्सो. बट डेफिनेटली of consistency of your practice, if you will keep this, then slowly your body also heal very fast. Depends only on your practice, nothing. आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो अपने आप को ठीक कर सकते हैं. ओके, लास्ट प्रैक्टिस. एवरीवन गेट रेडी. अभी हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, बस आंखें बंद करके बैठना है और दोनों आंखों के बीच में इमेजिन और लाइट between your eyebrow center. So light means you can bring anything. You can bring an object. If you are putting a bindi also, you focus on that, or imagine a dot, any object. Okay, so inhale. This is a very good to observe your breathing while you are holding, exhaling, inhaling. So inhale is on a count of 12. 12 सांस लेना है. I don't know if you are able to take 12. Or hold 16 while maintaining this focus, and whole body absolutely still, statue बनकर. Then जब hold नहीं होगा, exhale 10 count. So for you, if 12 is not happening, no worries. If 16 is not happening, no worries. If 10 is not happening, no worries. And the problem is in Parkinson, very short inhalation. पार्किंसन में प्रॉब्लम है, इनहेलेशन छोटा हो जाता है. इनहेलेशन इज आवर लाइफ. जब इनहेलेशन ही नहीं हो रहा है, बॉडी कैसे हील करेगा, है ना? सो इनहेलेशन हमारी नहीं हो रहा है, सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू हील योर बॉडी. सो हाउ लॉन्ग यू विल डिपेंड ऑन मेडिसिन. एक पार्टिसिपेंट थे कि मेडिसिन अब नहीं, हमारी लास्ट प्रीवियस बैच में बोल रहे थे कि और मेडिसिन ही नहीं काम कर रहा है. And then when he started practicing, after few days again the medicine was work, and slowly he also reduced. So body need that, our immunity only helping to recover our body, but we think medicine. When there is no immunity, no medicine will work. So थोड़ा भी इम्यूनिटी होता है तो मेडिसिन काम करता है. इम्यूनिटी बॉडी की नहीं है तो वो मेडिसिन भी नहीं काम करता है. ठीक है. सो लास्ट प्रैक्टिस एवरीवन, गेट रेडी. और 12-16 नहीं हो रहा है, डोंट वरी, जितना होता है उतना करिए, फोकस करिए बस. एंड वेरी डिफिकल्ट ये नहीं होगा तो आपकी क्रियाज आर डिफरेंट. दिस इज जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द कुंभक, बट द क्रियाज फॉर शांत वृत्ति पार्किंसन की क्रियाज डिफरेंटली डिजाइंड है. उसकी क्रियाज एज पर द बॉडी डिजाइन, उसमें आपकी बहुत सारी मंत्र साधना है. आप बैठ के मंत्र कैसे करोगे, ब्रेथ मंत्र कैसे करके अपनी इनहेलेशन को बढ़ाओगे. विद द ब्रेथ मंत्र हाउ यू कैन इंक्रीज योर इनहेलेशन. व्हेन द इनहेलेशन विल इंक्रीज, बॉडी हैज द पावर टू हील इटसेल्फ. सो that will call the mantra chanting. And then what else? अभ्यंगा. तो विच डायरेक्शन यू विल मसाज योर हैंड का मसाज कैसे होगा, एब्डोमेन का कैसे होगा, हाउ टू कंट्रोल द कंप बात. बॉडी की कंट्रोल नहीं है, लेग्स में जान नहीं है, हाउ दैट विल ब्रिंग बैक. सो दैट इज अभ्यंगा. गणेश क्रिया, इफ देयर आर पीपल हैविंग सीवियर कॉन्स्टिपेशन, हाउ विल डू द आनस को कैसे हम मसाज ऑयल लगा के उसको करेक्ट करके वो करेंगे. नाक, कान, हर जगह से टॉक्सिन्स को कैसे निकालेंगे. सो दैट इज ब्यूटिफुली डिजाइन बाय स्वामी जी. सो दैट विल हेल्प यू टू रिकवर योर बॉडी. ओके, सो वन मोर प्रैक्टिस एवरीवन. सिट कंफर्टेबली, आईज क्लोज, फोकस बिटवीन योर आईब्रो सेंटर. Carry your face muscle, carry a beautiful smile on your face. Now, inhale a count of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold 16, focus between your eyebrow center. Tense your body, gentle. Statue, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. आंखें बंद करिए. और आंखें नहीं बंद होता है तो एक जगह पे फोकस बनाकर करिए. फोकस एट वन पॉइंट. सो दैट इज, बट दिस वन यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस आईज क्लोज बिकॉज यू आर फोकसिंग हियर. नाउ स्टार्ट. इनहेल, 12 नहीं करके छोटा नंबर लेंगे अभी. इनहेल 4, होल्ड 8, एक्सहेल 6. नाउ इनहेल 4 काउंट्स. 1, 2, 3, 4. Focus between your eyebrow center. Tense your body gentle towards eyebrow center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. थोड़ा नंबर बढ़ गया, अभी और थोड़ा कम नंबर करेंगे जिनका बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा है. लास्ट राउंड. आईज क्लोज, फेस मसल्स रिलैक्स, फोकस बिटवीन योर आईब्रो सेंटर. Inhale 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 6. 1. Body tension को maintain करिए. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Feel the changes. Kumbhak is very very powerful. Now rub your palms. अच्छे से rub करिए. Generate heat between your palms. Make a cup shape. Put on your eyes. Feel the warm sensation. Eye muscles are relaxed. Slow, gentle palming your face and neck. Bring your hands down with a beautiful smile. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. If you practiced, तो आपने प्रैक्टिस किया तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस आपको पता है. प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है तो दैट ऑल्सो यू नो द एक्सपीरियंस. So thank you everyone for joining. So now you ask your doubts if you have any doubts. आपके कोई डाउट्स है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. एंड कुंभक इज अमेजिंग. इफ आपके पास डाउट्स है तो टेक सम टाइम, बट इट्स ट्रू. नो मेडिसिन कैन हील आवर बॉडी. यस, इट्स अमेजिंग. यस मैम. No medicine can heal our body, only our breath can heal our body. So what is breath? That Rilchi Kumbhak, when holding your breath only inside you are holding, right? So your breath is everything. So if you will give a chance to your body will heal itself for sure. Okay? So please one by one अपनी नाम और नंबर शेयर कर दीजिए चैट बॉक्स में, सो दैट कभी आप ज्वाइन करना है नहीं करना है दैट इज़ योर चॉइस. बट सम क्या होता है ना, कभी कभी कोई फ्री सेशंस होता है तो आप उस पर ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. कुंभक कुछ सीखेंगे नया. दैट ऑल्सो योर ब्रेन विल बी एक्टिव, यंग. एंड हमेशा लाइफ इज अ लर्निंग, राइट? होल लाइफ, एंड ऑफ द लाइफ. सो सीखते रहना है. Any doubts? One by one. Yes, Manu ma'am, please unmute yourself. Unmute करिए मैम. Yes. Speak मैम, बोलिए. मनु मैम. Okay, next. Anyone has any doubts? Please unmute yourself. Unmute, ma'am. मुथा, सॉरी मैम. प्लीज़ आप अपनी ना अनम्यूट करिए. आपकी स्पेलिंग, इफ आई स्पेल्ड have a mistake. You both have practiced nicely. I observe. Yeah, please ask your doubts, ma'am. Sir? Can't hear you. Hello? Yeah, please.
You can hear now?
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah. We have been, breathing and all that we had learnt earlier.
Okay.
And after Swamiji's Kumbhak, I have gone through all the videos. And then my wife is having Parkinson. I am with her.
Okay.
And already we brought a lot of improvement right from the beginning,
Wow.
Now we are reducing the medicine.
Okay, sir. Very nice. Let me, just 1 second, let me spotlight. So please share your experience so that other people also will be get motivated. Thank you, sir. Please.
Yeah. My wife is having Parkinson and it is 4.5 years. Initially, we didn't want to take allopathic medicine. So we started acupuncture, then we went to Ayurvedic, all the treatment. Then I was concentrating on her diet, which also now regularized. That is also helping her. Initially, she had a lot of shaking, tremor, and she had epilepsy also. But now, 4.5 years, slowly, we started one breathing hub, that conscious breathing hub. There we learned how to breathe. So now then every day morning we are practicing increasing the lung capacity. Now after we came to Swamiji's instructions how to heal with Kumbhak. So now we are doing Kumbhak, all the stretches, 7 stretches he has showed. Initially we could not hold, up to 5, but everyday practice now we can hold up to 20. Hold up to 20 and do
Amazing.
everything. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing. So I think this will be a motivation for all of you. Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Naresh, sir, please unmute yourself.
नमस्कार जी।
नमस्कार।
और मेरा ना जी मेन प्रॉब्लम ये रहता है कि एक तो कभी कभी तो पोर्शन ही नहीं जाता 2-2 दिन।
हाँ, वो तो पार्किंसन का मेन इशू है।
नहीं, पार्किंसन नहीं है मेरे को।
कॉन्स्टिपेशन है ना आपको?
हाँ, कॉन्स्टिपेशन रहता है, शुगर रहता है।
यस, आगे जाके आपकी बॉडी पार्किंसन में भी आ सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ दी 2 दिन अभी हो रहा है धीरे धीरे। मेरे पास एक पार्टिसिपेंट आते थे, उनको तो 12 दिन नहीं जाते थे वो, और धीरे धीरे उनकी बॉडी पूरी नीचे ऐसे बेंड हो गया था। ही वॉज लाइक जस्ट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड ओनली, नो बैकवर्ड। और 36 ईयर्स के ओनली थे। ही वॉज वर्किंग इन अ बिग कंपनी, बट डॉक्टर इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम आ गया बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कॉन्स्टिपेशन इंक्रीजिंग डे बाई डे। ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू गो फॉर द पासिंग स्टूल एंड देन डॉक्टर ऑल्सो दे सेड कि नहीं, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता है आपका, हम मेडिसिन नहीं काम कर रहे हैं आपकी बॉडी में।
कौन कौन से कुंभक इसमें काम करते हैं?
सो प्लीज आप कुंभक थेरेपी पे ज्वाइन करिए। कौन कौन सी कुंभक नहीं, आप जब ज्वाइन करेंगे तो देयर विल बी हैंड होल्डिंग। आपको आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग हर सेशन होगा। आपके लिए डैशबोर्ड बना दिया जाएगा। कभी आप सपोज लाइव सेशन नहीं आ पाए तो यू कैन ज्वाइन दिस सेशन, यू कैन ऑन योर रिकॉर्डिंग, है ना, ऑन योर डैशबोर्ड एंड देन प्रैक्टिस। सो एवरीथिंग देयर इज अ हैंड होल्डिंग टू हाउ टू हील योर बॉडी। सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट आप प्लीज, आप तो जाना जरूरी है। 2 दिन अभी हो रहा है तो आपकी बॉडी बहुत अच्छे से अपने आप को हील कर सकता है। सो प्लीज आप कुंभक थेरेपी ज्वाइन करिए। अप टू यू नाउ, यू डिसाइड। ओके, अस्मिता मैम प्लीज अपनी कैमरा ऑन करिए एंड देन आस्क योर डाउट्स। यस मैम।
Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
Actually, I'm attending on behalf of my father. He is a Parkinson patient, and 2 months back, he had a brain stroke. So, at present, he is on bed. So, for him, controlling his breath and everything, I don't think is possible right now.
He is responding, right?
He's responding. His
Which
physiotherapy is
side?
going on.
Which side?
Left.
Left side.
Speech is gone. I mean, only a few words he's able to speak.
And
Mouth is staying open because
Yeah.
of the muscular power gone down.
yeah.
Physiotherapy is happening twice a day. All that we have started, it's going on. But then because of the age, because he's 76, it's really slow. So my only concern is all this is something which is very conscious. Like even if we ask him, "No, you have to keep your mouth closed," it becomes really difficult for him to close because he'll do it for a second and then it opens again. So this conscious breathing for him, I don't think even if he's sitting, he'll be able to do. So how should we help him, or what is
He
the
can't
right
sit?
time we should start with him?
He can't sit, वो बैठ भी नहीं
No,
सकते
no,
भी।
he can sit with support. He sits on the chair.
So
Yes,
no,
he is able to sit.
So then he can practice because the kriyas are designed like somebody, for family member has to help, and then he can practice. The kriyas are very simple kriyas. If he is not able to close mouth, he can open and breathe through mouth.
Okay.
There are also the apana, how because of this the stroke, all these are the apana vayu blocked. So that Kriya also designed to breathe through mouth. And the speech, all this slowly, because my experience, the 2 बैचेस में मैंने देखा है लोगों की स्पीच वापस आ गया है.
Okay, because हमने उनकी
6
speech
week में
therapy
उन्होंने अपने आप ही बताया, मेरे नाम लेके उन्होंने बुलाया. So this is मैंने I'm very sensitive. So hey, so if we will help him, definitely body will understand the kriya and he can able to breathe. So it's not only खाली मुंह सांस नाक से लेना होता है. Kriyas are differently designed. मुंह से भी.
because
But
he is
or while lying down on bed also he can stretch.
okay. So right now he is on RT. He cannot even take food because swallowing power is also gone as of now. Even taking down
Severe.
his spit is like saliva is difficult for him. So that was the reason we were still wondering whether we can start it right now or we should give it some
You
more time.
can see better you can start because you don't know when the body will start, we don't know, maybe it happened tomorrow, body can has the capacity to recover,
Recover,
but
right.
taking some time means maybe आगे जाके और ज़्यादा हो सकता है. तो
Okay.
you learn, okay, you learn, and then whatever the kriyas he can, you make him do, and then no need की सारे क्रिया वो कर देंगे. But there are different things also. Hops, massage can ask someone. अभी कैसे मसाज हो रहा है?
Yeah, massage
टेक्निक
के
नहीं
लिए
पता.
भी
टेक्निक तो नहीं. But Swami ji has
Yeah.
a different technique for the different part of the body.
Okay.
So you start the massage. There are oils with the for ear, for nose, for other things, eyes, all the things as, and the herbs as also there. There are different, the breathing pattern also. So whatever he can, आप उनको गाइड करिए.
Okay.
तो ऐसा नहीं कि सारा नहीं कर पाएंगे. वो स्ट्रेच नहीं कर पाए तो कोई 2 लोग उनकी हाथ केयर टेकर होंगे. और
Right.
इजी क्रिया, बहुत इजी क्रिया, जस्ट आस्क द स्ट्रेच. But he can listen, no?
Yes, he can listen.
then
He responds. He tries
yeah,
to speak. Few words are clear, few are not clear. All that
then
is
it will
there.
help.
Okay.
तो आप सीखिए उनके साथ बैठ के, और जो आपको लगता है कि ये अभी कर सकते अभी के लिए, एंड धीरे धीरे जैसे बॉडी कैपेसिटी गेन करने लगेगा, सो यू गो फॉर द अदर क्रियाज, कीप इट, एंड देन उसको सिखाना. तो वैसे करके तो अदरवाइज यू डोंट नो कब वो मतलब प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा भी बढ़ सकता है. तो ये अभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं बढ़ेगा. इफ यू स्टार्ट दिस प्रैक्टिस, देयर विल बी अ फुल स्टॉप.
Hold on. ठीक.
Yes, there will be a full stop.
Okay. Thank you.
Next, no doubts. No doubts? Happy? Chalo. Yes. Sir, please unmute yourself. Unmute करिए सर. जय कुमार सर, unmute करिए. Unmute yourself. Ask your doubts. If you don't have doubts, so we will now end. Anyone has any doubts? No doubts? Yes. Please unmute yourself. सैमसंग जी अनम्यूट करिए. Unmute yourself. Okay. सो डाउट्स नहीं हो, पर सपोज आप नहीं पूछ सकते तो आप अपने ग्रुप में भी पूछ सकते. सो थैंक यू. नमस्ते.
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Do you have this demo session recorded?
Yes, recorded. We will share you in your group. Okay.
Okay. And I'm unable to hold. I am able to inhale for 4 or
Please कैमरा ऑन
sometimes.
कर लीजिए. Please switch on your video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you able to see me?
Yes, I can see you now.
Okay. I'm able to inhale for 4 to maybe maximum to 6 or 7 seconds. And inhale, that is. And then the hold is probably around 4 6 seconds or maybe 4 seconds, I think. And exhale for even less than 6 seconds, right? 4 or 5 seconds. Is that
This
okay?
is because of the body capacity has less. And the moment if you start practicing Kumbhak, body will increase the capacity of inhalation, hold and exhalation. And there will be a smooth everything.
Okay. And I'm planning to enroll for one-on-one sessions.
Yeah, you can
So
enroll.
that being the case, what is the schedule for that? Is it flexible?
That is flexible, and that you can choose your days, you choose your timings, and also,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
yeah. So that
Yeah.
you please, yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm in US right now, so the time, the time difference between
You
India and
choose,
the.
let us
Okay.
know, and the mentor
Okay.
availability we will see, and then we'll schedule session. Okay.
Okay. Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, everyone, namaste. Wish you a healthy life.
Hello,
Thank you for
hello,
joining.
hello, madam. Can I
Yes.
talk?
Yeah, please.
My husband has the Parkinson's in the initial stage. He is not able. He is able to take the food, but it comes out little like that. Small problems are there. He has started the medicine, allopathy medicine now, and he had surgery, heart surgery, and there was a procedure in the head, and he is taking lots of medicines. If whether he can do
Yes.
breathing,
Yes.
if he does,
He
the BP will increase. That will be a
uh,
problem, isn't it?
no. He has to join the mentor. They will guide how. See, every participant is different, and the problem also
Mm,
different. So for that, mentors
mm.
are there to guide you how to inhale, how to exhale, what are the problems, the issues are having. So for that, no worries. Mentor are there.
Oh, then if he joins, individual attention will be given. That is another course
If you are
like that.
joining there is, if you are joining individual sessions, so you will have a one mentor for the one participant. But if you are joining
Yeah.
group, so there will be 50,
Mm,
60 or 30, so there will be one,
mm,
so one mentor
mm,
only. But
mm.
problem will
But
take.
can we sit by the side while the class is going on?
You have to sit. Someone, the family
Mm,
members has to sit to help.
mm. And
Okay.
one more doubt.
You can,
If
ma'am,
we can,
you can write down in the group, we will clear your doubts. So
okay,
no,
okay.
don't
Thank you, madam.
stress. Thank you.
Thank
Namaste.
you. Thank you.
Happy, खुश रहिए. Thank you. Bye.